In this video, I want to explain you guys how you can do a conversational flow of an AI voice agent using Retell AI. I've put together a quick roleplay using ChatGPT where I have a system prompt and then I have also a knowledge base. And based on that, we will be doing an experiment where first I will show you how I have constructed everything. And secondly, we will be doing a live demo call. We will be mocking up as if we receive a lead, for example, through paid ads, and it will be an outbound call. So this is the platform that I'm using. It's called Retell AI, and it's really the best one in the market to do AI voice agents. And for this particular case, we are going to be using conversational flows. And how this works, I don't know if you've seen the experience of creating a chatbot before, but it's very similar. Basically, we will have different nodes where we will pass prompts or static messages. You can decide between one or the other. And depending on the response of the user, we will take one path or another. Then the AI agent will go through the whole node until it finds a node which is ending the call or it's executing a function or is doing several things and until the call is ended. I have to say that with this, you can perform a lot of different actions. So you can do your custom functions, such as sending emails, or you can also do scheduling appointments, which is already integrated in Retell AI. It's super handy. But also you can do a lot of different things. So you can connect it to your system, you can connect it to your CRM, so it gets updated. You can do a bunch of different things and really have it behave like a human, right? So a human, normally how it works, it will pick up the phone and based on the input that is receiving from the lead, it will perform certain actions. In this case, it works exactly the same. So just to see how I have programmed this, first I have to say that I have here the knowledge base and I've put this one together with ChatGPT. I didn't give too much thought into it. I just asked ChatGPT to give me like some basic information, fake information about a video editing company in Los Angeles, and then to provide me the different services that we can offer and the different pricing based on, like normal services provided by a video editing company. And this I am feeding to the agent at a general level, but then I've configured a system prompt that I also put together with ChatGPT. I put different speech settings, background noise. This is how I like it to behave. And yeah, this is essentially how it's working. So just to go through the flow. So what we do, we first greet the user and then we ask, do you have time or not, right? Because if they don't have time, I don't want to be too inconvenient, and I will ask the customer to give me another time where I can call them, and then I will end the call. Obviously here we will schedule the call for the later date, but I keep it simple, and in this case I'm not doing it, but this is quite simple to do. If he's interested and has time, then I ask the customer to give a little bit more of context about the company, what is their current need. Based on that, I ask the model to check in the knowledge base and I see if they have more questions or not. I answer the questions and I ask them to tell me a little bit and I tell them a little bit about the pricing. Once I get whether they're interested or not based on what I said, I can follow two routes. If they are not interested, I say, okay, thank you for your time, and we end the call. If they are interested, I summarize the pricing to the lead, and I ask for the budget. Based on the budget that it is given to me, I will say, is this within range or not? If it is, then we will progress. Otherwise, I will ask the lead to give me another budget range. Then based on that, I will give them the pricing option which best adapts to the ones that we have. And if it's not fitting, that probably is going to mean that we cannot work together. So I will just thank for the time and end the call. In the case that I do, I tell them that I'm gonna send an email to the email provided, and that data I already have, because you will see now when we do the demo, but we are inputting some information to a landing page. And normally this lead is going to come through paid ads. So it can come from LinkedIn ads or Google ads or Facebook ads, whatever. And then they will put the information, and then the agent will immediately call. And you will see in a moment how this works. And then once I've said that I am sending the email, I politely thank for the time, and then we end the call. So that's it. It's a very simple flow. It should work pretty well. Let's test it. And what I'm gonna do, I've got a webhook here in make.com, which is waiting for an input, which is going to be coming from this landing page. So let's say I'm called John Doe, for example, and the email is gonna be johnexample.com. And then for the phone number, I'm gonna be putting this one here. And as soon as I click get started, the AI should call me. So let's click it, and then I'll show you. So as you can see, the AI is calling me now, and I'm gonna pick up.
Hello, name. This is Peter. We just received your interest in Clipforge, a video editing company. Is this a good time to talk?
Hello, Peter. Yes, of course.
Great. Thanks for taking the time to chat. To get started, could you tell me a bit about your company and what your current video editing needs are? For example, are you working on social media content, corporate videos, ads, or something else?
For sure. So I have a automation company. It's called Lemon, and I really want to leverage long content this year. So yeah, I'm looking for a video editing company that can really support me here.
That sounds exciting. At Clipforge, we specialize in professional video editing for businesses like yours. We can help with corporate videos, product showcases, and marketing content. Our services include everything from basic edits to advanced motion graphics and color correction. For businesses, we offer a corporate video package starting at $500 per video, which includes professional edits tailored to your brand's needs. We also have subscription plans if you're planning to produce content regularly. Do you have any more questions or specific requirements you'd like to discuss?
So I think it sounds great, but take into account I want to produce like 3-4 videos per week, and that my budget is, let's say, 1K per week. What do you recommend?
Thanks for sharing that. With a budget of $1,000 per week and a goal of producing 3-4 videos weekly, I recommend our Pro subscription plan. It's $900 per month and includes up to 10 videos, which aligns well with your needs if you're producing consistently. For your weekly budget, we could also tailor a custom plan to ensure you get the most value. For example, we could mix in social media packages, $200 for 5 videos, for short-form content and corporate video edits, $500 per video, for more polished, high-impact pieces. Would you like me to arrange a consultation to discuss a custom plan that fits your content goals and budget?
Yeah, that'd be great, actually.
Perfect. Let's get that set up for you. Could you share your email address and the best time for a consultation? We'll go over your content strategy, video styles, and how we can maximize your budget to meet your goals.
Sure. So my email is jorge@linklemon.agency. That's JORGE@linklemon.agency.
Got it, Jorge. Thank you for sharing that. I'll arrange for a consultation and send you a confirmation email shortly. Is there a specific day or time that works best for you? We're available Monday through Friday during business hours, Pacific time.
So let's do next Friday at 3 p.m.
Perfect, Corey. I've noted down next Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific time for your consultation. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly with all the details. In the meantime, if you have any additional questions or ideas, feel free to reply to the email. Looking forward to helping you bring your video content to life. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye. So as you can see, it was quite smooth. I noticed there's like some things that needs to be corrected in the node, because I think based on what I said, like the transition was way too fast. But yeah, like this, I think you get an idea of how you can really control your conversations using conversational paths. At the end of the day, this is so much simpler to debug when you're doing it in this way. And yeah, it allows you to have so much more control of the conversation, and then it becomes more predictable. So let me know what you think in the comments, and also tell me if you think this could be a great asset for your business.